Hey, everybody, listen. Sunday. This is a freestyling, our pastured wings. Look at the sound and the sear of these wings. We're freestyling it today. So basically, put some spice, a little bit of our maple syrup, cooked with our olive oil. These are our pastured patties that we have through our market. Dutch oven is one of my favorite. This is the future site of our retreat, ecological retreat. So I've used the top of the Dutch oven to cook our bacon because we're making bacon burgers today, beef patties, our sprouted muffins we're gonna put on. And because I'm not perfect, I forgot our SFL ketchup. So I got mustard, our fermented relish, my amazing wife who's actually filming everything. So it doesn't have to be complicated. Truly what we're doing today is that we went to work this morning. We came to our lot, which is going to become the future ecological retreat, detox, so forth, so on. But we're cutting woods this afternoon just to de-stress, making burgers, delicious, nourishing yourself. And it's therapy for the mind. Really, I call this the best fitness center in the world, because when we're here after we're done giving you values, inspiring you, we're just going to have food with nature and with loved ones. I mean, this is a perfect time to disconnect, to reconnect. I've been saying it for years. I can't say enough. Look at the simplicity of this. It's raw. It's as is. We started this fire about an hour and a half ago, and 2 hours. I'm not counting the clock today, but really the time it took us to build this fire, that's what it's all about. I know some of you say you don't have time, but we made the time for this because the preparation, the setup, and in about 2 or 3 minutes we're going to have these amazing burgers. It's all worth it. So thanks for following. Please share, and tomorrow morning I'm back with my tunes, and I might surprise you with a couple moves. Take care and have a great day.